Guess what we're about to do today? We're about to take out these busted cornrows. So if you watch my tutorial on these cornrows, you already know what time it is. They need to come out my head. I've had them in for a good 3 weeks. Unfortunately, I don't have time to do my whole wash day routine. So as soon as I take these out, they're going in a slick bun. I thought it was the perfect time to try out this new gel that I'm so excited about. And it is called the Thank Me Later Edge Gel by O Virgin Hair. If you already don't know about this, you must not be on Twitter, because this gel literally went like viral on Twitter. This is the blue gel that everybody has been talking about, and it's supposed to be completely humidity resistant and designed for type 4 natural hair. So basically it's supposed to be designed for me. I wanted to support a Black owned business, and I wanted to test out these claims. Like, humidity resistant, that is a very large claim to make. So I want to see what's really popping. So we are going to try to do a slick bun with this gel today. So if you want to see all of that, go ahead and keep on watching.
A few moments later.
Okay. So now that our hair is loose and free and ready to be styled, it's time to try out this infamous blue gel. Again, this is the Thank Me Later Edge Gel by O Virgin Hair. And it says just to add a pea-size amount and move fast as this product sets quickly. So here's the thing. I already have a slick bun tutorial on my channel. So if you haven't already watched that, boom, go ahead and watch that. So this is not a tutorial. We're just trying to see how well this gel works with us as we try to lay our hair down. So obviously we got a spray bottle with some water in it. We want our slick bun to be like this. So here's a rough draft. And I am going to go ahead and go into this gel, but okay. So that is a pea-sized amount, but that's how much you're supposed to use for your edges. And we're not doing our edges, we're doing our whole head. So I'm gonna take that amount, I'm gonna put it on there just like that. I'm gonna spray it just like that. And let's see if we can swoop it out. And again, I'm moving quickly because it says it sets fast. I'm just gonna essentially keep doing that process until I feel like we have a slick enough bun. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this gel. We are pretty darn slick right there, okay? Look, pretty darn slick. That ponytail, I think that is as tight as we're gonna be able to get it. Now what I'm gonna do is spray my hair down one more time. I'm gonna add a little bit more gel, and y'all might be thinking I'm using a lot of gel. When I do this with Eco Styler gel, I use way more gel than this. So this is good so far. And I'm going to slick this down. And I have to focus it right here because I actually have very, very short pieces of hair right here that actually grew back from my bald spot. So I gotta make sure that those hairs stay down. Okay, we feel nice and secure. But the most important part of this whole process is our edges. So we're gonna work quickly because she said to work quickly. The only thing left to do is marinate these edges. So I'll see y'all in 10 minutes. Okay, y'all. I don't know if it's been 10 minutes, but I'm getting a headache, so we about to reveal. Drum roll, please. Woo! So here are my thoughts about this edge gel. Okay, let's start with the pros. Pros. Do you see the pros? Like, first of all, okay, so the pros, I would say is that I personally love a gel formula. I really like a gel formula better than a pomade formula when you're talking about anything for your edges, because I just think it gives you more malleability. I also like that you can reactivate it. So you know that I was using water to like spray my hair down, and I could feel the gel reactivating. So that is really good because you don't have to use excessive amounts of the product. I look great, so I like that. So I have 3 cons with this. The very first thing is that this is small. I don't know about y'all, but I'm very heavy-handed with my... I don't know about y'all, but I'm very heavy-handed with my products, so I don't know how long this is gonna last me. The line is like, it's like right here. So I use like this much product, which is technically a lot of product if you want to make this stretch. Now, if you're only using this on your edges, this will definitely last you a lot longer, but if you're trying to do like hairstyles, you know, like a slick bun or whatever, it's not gonna last you as long. Second con is this does slightly stain your hands blue. I don't know if y'all will be able to tell, but my hands are ever so slightly blue, but that is it. And the last con that I have is that the formula is sticky. I don't know if y'all can see my pinky right now, but there's like gel residue left over on my pinky, and there was like literal hair sticking to my pinky because the formula is so sticky. Those are like my pros and my cons. Would I recommend this? Absolutely. Like, there is not a single hair that is out of place. I'm gonna have to let y'all know how this holds up, because apparently it can hold up for days. But as of right now, I am thoroughly pleased. I do not get these results with any edge control, any gel that I have ever used. Okay, so I will leave the link to this product in the description box below. I probably will also update you on my hair Instagram at Jaila's Hair, so just to give you a little bit more detail. So I'll update you there, so make sure you're following me there. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We are on a journey to 10K, and you can help us get there. Also, like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.